Hi, everyone. I wanted to share with you today one of my very favorite tools to de-stress and recharge. So I wanted to share this as a suggestion at the end of the day, at the end of the week, for example. You can let go of all of your stress. And you can really put what I like to call spirit gasoline back into our tank. So we give away a lot during the week. We have many obstacles that we face and overcome. And so there can be a wonderful time that we take for ourselves to care for ourselves. So this is our Mind Body Mastery self-care toolbox that we're building here. And this is a guided imagery meditation. It's a grounded star bath. And it's very simple. Just set a timer on your phone, for example, to take a time out, whether it's 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So here, we're going to take just 10 minutes of a grounded star bath to let go of all of our stress and take into every part of our being everything that we need. So I like to start every practice with 3 big deep breaths. So get comfortable, sit in a favorite chair, have your feet flat on the floor, have your hands down at your sides, and go ahead and breathe into your abdomen below your belly button. 3 big deep breaths. You can inhale through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Breathe in your nose and you can exhale with a sound or a sigh. And you can wiggle a little bit. You can let go some of that tension in the neck and shoulders when you exhale. So now I invite you to go ahead and close your eyes. And I want you to imagine that you are opening up your fingertips and toe tips, like turning on a water faucet. Your fingertips and toe tips become a faucet where you can exhale with every breath anything you don't need, any tension, any tightness, any distractions, any thoughts, any feelings, anything you don't need. You can just relax into the chair, melt into the chair, and exhale out of your fingertips and toe tips anything you no longer need. Breathing in nice and deep into the abdomen and exhaling out of your whole body anything you no longer need out of your fingertips and toe tips. Feel yourself become softer and softer as you exhale. With every deep breath into your abdomen, you become more and more like water, and anything you no longer need can flow out of your fingertips and toe tips like water. And as you exhale, see that water pouring out of your fingertips and toe tips, anything you no longer need, pouring down into the floor, into the rock and the dirt of the earth, all the way down into that beautiful orange-yellow fireball in the back of the earth. So we can exhale out anything we no longer need. We just give it back its extra energy. We don't even need to judge it. Anything that comes up, any thoughts, sounds, distractions, just exhale it out. Any sensations you feel in your body, stiffness, tightness, pain, exhale it right out. With every exhale, out of your fingertips and toe tips, and see that water pouring out like a waterfall, soaking down into the very center of the earth. How soft can you become? How much can you melt into the chair that you're sitting in right now? How much can you let go? With every breath, as you become softer and softer, melting into the chair that you're sitting in, melting into the floor with every exhale. You're lying down, if you're sitting comfortably in a chair, letting go with every exhale, anything you no longer need, and exhaling it out of your fingertips and toe tips, seeing that water drain down into the very center of the earth, into that beautiful orange-yellow fireball there. You just give back any extra energy. It'll make all the wonderful life on earth grow It's just an exchange. You give back what you no longer need. Any tension, any stress. It's just energy. You give it back. And now that you've become so soft, spacious, and free, with so much space, so much ease, go ahead and imagine you're breathing in with every inhale everything you need. Breathing in a beautiful white light, like the stars in the sky, like the clouds in the sky. Breathing in this beautiful white light into your nose, filling up your whole head and face, filling up your neck, your shoulders, your chest. That beautiful white light goes down into your stomach and abdomen, filling up your hips, filling up your thighs, down into your knees, down into your calves, into your ankles, down into your feet, and pouring out of your toe tips. More and more of this white light comes down from the stars in the sky, the white clouds. This beautiful pure white light rains down through your nose, filling up your head and neck, down through your shoulders, down through your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, down into your wrists and hands, pouring out of your fingertips. So much of this beautiful white light fills up your whole body with every inhale, that it pours out of your fingertips and toe tips. This beautiful white light surrounds you in this bubble of white light. You can breathe it in, you can relax into it, you are it. All the health, all the vitality, all the peace, all the joy, all the ease. You breathe it in with every inhale, filling up your whole body, pouring out of your fingertips and toe tips, making a beautiful bubble of white light all around you. So you can relax into that white light with all the love, all the support, all the joy, all the peace, all the calm, all the ease, all the freedom that you are in this white light, that you are everything you need right now. You can breathe it in, you can be it, you can relax and enjoy it. Now take 3 big, deep breaths into your abdomen again. You can let out a sound or a sigh within. Another big, deep breath. And the last biggest breath ever. And just notice how much more relaxed at ease, how much any tension, tightness, pain you may have had before you could release by doing this guided imagery meditation. So it's really about minutes a day when we notice that we need support, when we notice that we're overwhelmed, we're emotional, we're tired, we're burnt out, whatever happens in all of the stages of the day. Can we take a time out? A time out for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, to let go of the stress out of our body and recharge. So this was a guided imagery meditation of a grounded star bath, and I hope you have enjoyed it, and you will look at your day and when you might take some time for yourself to go ahead and de-stress and recharge. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your evening, day, week, weekend. And I'll see you next time. Take care.